the game, man.
All right, now. Now.
Going right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're going right now. We're filming.
Oh, that's so
We're filming, right, Michael?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, so let me ask you this question. All right, let's go back again. So not only do we have to take into consideration how far we told it at, we have to take into consideration the what?
Height.
The width of the net, and also
The wrong one.
Height.
the height of the net. Because the fish that we were saying for were not living on the bottom, they were up in the water. So that matters. So that's 3 dimensions. So we're dealing with volume. Now, here's where I'm going with this. So I want you to listen very carefully. What does volume measure? Isaac.
Cubic centimeters.
And that's the units. What does it measure, though? For example, a meter will measure distance. Square meters will measure, for example, area. What does volume measure?
The space inside.
It measures space. Volume measures space. Okay? And when we're talking about the fish up in the water, we have to consider the space that they live in and how much space was filtered by these fish. How much space was filtered by the net to catch these fish, the volume. So really what we want to take a look at here is the amount of fish occupying a space. The amount of something in a space. What does that sound like to you?
Density.
Density. Remember last year you learned about population density. Remember that? People per square mile. What we really want to do here is take a look at the number of fish in a space, and that's called population density. Population isn't what's important. It's population density. And we can clearly see over here we have a more dense population than over here. With me? That's what's meaningful. That's what we're going to be looking at. But for that, it's not just the number of fish we get. We also have to take into consideration how much water we sampled to get those fish. You understand?
Yes.